In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic AI profile images using Canva. Now, if you're looking to spruce up your online presence with a fresh professional look, this tutorial is going to walk you through the steps of generating AI headshots. So let's get started. To begin, open Canva on your device. Look for the side menu on the left-hand side of your screen and find the button labeled Apps. It will usually be towards the bottom of this menu, but you can scroll down if needed. Clicking on this will open up a new menu presenting a variety of apps and tools that Canva offers to enhance your design projects. Once you've opened the apps section, you'll need to identify what kind of design you want to create. For our purposes today, in the search bar, type in headshot. This will narrow down the options and direct you to resources specifically tailored for creating personalized headshot images, which is what we're aiming to achieve today. You'll see an option that simply says headshots. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a feature specifically designed for AI generated headshots, bringing up a workspace that allows you to upload and modify images with the assistance of AI. Now let's get to the core of creating your headshot. On the new screen, look for the Upload Photos option, which is typically a button or link. Click Choose File to upload your own headshot or the profile picture you want to transform into a more polished and professional image. The quality of the original upload can impact the final product, so make sure it's a clear photo that captures your features well. After uploading the image, you'll be prompted to type in a model name. This name doesn't have to be exact or formal, but it helps to organize and keep track of your different headshots, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Think of it as a way of labeling your project within Canva for easy reference. At this point, Canva might notify you about the need for additional credits. It's important to understand that some AI features within Canva require in-app purchases or subscriptions. If prompted, you may need to purchase extra credits to gain access to the full range of editing capabilities for your headshot project. These credits allow you to make use of premium tools and resources, ensuring your final image is as refined and realistic as possible. And there you have it. That's a straightforward guide to creating realistic AI headshots on Canva. Follow these steps to transform your profile with ease and enjoy the professional finishing touch that an AI-generated headshot can provide. Whether it's for business or personal use, these polished images can be a great asset. Thanks for watching and happy designing.